Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Pierre, Simple Home Brew. I'm in a place called Kungalla at the moment. It's a little town that was built, look, not as long ago as some of the towns I've been to. It's against a place called Lake Maggie, and I'm going to try a beer. I need to tell you a story. Basically, a few months back, or about a month ago, I paid for some tickets to go to the Goodland Good Days 3rd birthday in Traralgon. Anyway, paid for tickets, mate of mine was going to go. I was probably going to film some videos, show you around, check the place out. I'll just move you over here a bit, and just give you a bit of an insight on what the place is like. Anyway, what happened was I got extremely sick. Ended up wasting that $80 that I spent to get tickets for it. It's quite windy out here, so bear with me. And I got a contact from them that came up and contacted me on Facebook and said, would you like to have a few beers? I know you were sick, I didn't realise you missed out. Have a 6-pack on me. Thank you very much for your support. And they did. They gave me a bunch of beers. I actually paid for this one. This wasn't part of that 6-pack birthday edition. But that's what they gave me, is a whole bunch of new beers for their birthday celebration. So today I'm just going to taste one of the ones that weren't part of that, but that's okay. I will open that packet at home when I'm in my shed. But today I'm just going to open up this one. This is a Chinook, Simcoe and Cascade. It's a 6.7% ABV and it's called Hey Jude. We'll open her up. Got my new Goodland Good Days glass. We'll pour it. Now, for some reason I expected that to look creamy. What is wrong with my brain? Check it out. It's very, very nice. I'll just duck in front of behind the glass here to show you. Very clear, highly, well carbonated. It looks really nice. If you like good hoppy beers, here's a tasting over here of my last tasting, which was the Pulp Addiction beer, which I'm really wrapped with, and it shows when I actually taste it in my video. If you want to have a look at that, click on the link up here. Well, the other thing I've been doing is an Out and Bouts channel for my brew channel, and it's called Pierre's Adventures. And I asked you guys to put a call out to everybody so I can get to 1,000 subscribers. And well, it's happened. This channel has been growing ever since. It's been growing big time, and that's why I'm out and about all the time. I'm making videos of different towns in my area, around the area, and just getting to know it a little bit, and maybe do a beer tasting like this in it as well. And thank you to you guys. It's still growing big time. I really appreciate your help. So, bloody cold. I probably should have put a jacket on. It's very cold in the shade, but I'm going to enjoy a beer and walk around town a little bit and burn this off a little bit. All right, smells. I have to go back to the wind. Very fresh, very nice actually, very smelly. Not smelly, sorry, it's not a smelly thing. It's got Simcoe. Oh, wheat smell. Now the wind's blowing pretty harsh and it's driving me nuts, but we'll endeavour. Nice head, still retaining the head. That gives me an insight on what it tastes like. It tastes nice. We're talking about that Pulp Addiction video that I did last week. This is very similar. Wow, no it's not. Okay, we've got a wheaty taste. It's got a rustic burnt flavour. It's very, it's cold. Burnt flavour, and unfortunately, I'm out here with a shirt on, and it's only about 15 degrees Celsius, and I'm not handling it too well. We'll get done. Oh, it's going to go. It's going to go. It's going to go. Look, it's going to go. It's the wind. I'll bring it over out the way. All right, what am I saying? What am I tasting? Tasting nice flavours. It's sweet. A little bit of bitterness, not much. A little bit. Just normal hop bitterness. It's very, very tasty. I like it. And I do realise I do like, well, this one's a WC IPA, West Coast IPA. So it's a summery kind of drink that's what I think of West Coast IPAs, I think. Are you recording? Yes. So it's always going to be a tasty, citrusy flavoured beer. Unfortunately, the wind's constantly flowing that way, so I can't get a waft of the smell of it. Yeah, definitely an IPA. Wheaty, got a little bit of malt flavour. The wind just blew the can over. All right, well, I've got to get this done because I'm cold. Okay. This is very, very good, guys. Very, very good. If you want to get a beer, try Goodland Brewing. They are up there with most of the top of the range, high-end brewers, and I'm really proud to be in the same town as these guys. Really great. I'm glad to support them as well. They're really good. Yeah, so it's a good beer, tasty, sweet, with a bit of bitterness, not much, and it's really easy to drink. You wouldn't session it. The sweetness is starting to come through more. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Very good. Anyway, if you guys want to know what I'm doing, I have a beer coming up, a beer collaboration coming up with a new YouTuber, and hopefully we'll get into it soon. He's sending me an ingredient. I've already got one of the ingredients, and we're going to brew a beer that's going to be similar but different, and we're going to share our bottles with each other to taste the differences. Bloody wind. What a pain in the butt. Oh, I've got to get out of here. I've got to get in the sun. Rural Water, Southern Rural Water, Wirraway A20 404 aircraft crash into the Lake Lamagi 14th of March 1942. Tragically, the pilot, aged 25, died in the crash and body was recovered. Wow. These remains are from the aircraft. Oh, wow, this is interesting. I had no idea we had this. After 38 years they were found and they brought them in. Look at the rims. They're like car rims. 1942. Wow, okay, cool, awesome.